Chapter 9 Mechanical Properties of Solids. So now we are in this unit we are going to study about the strength of the materials. So the flexibility, the first one is elasticity. So the deforming force, what is deforming force means any force which changes the shape or size of your body is called deforming force. So deforming force is a force which changes the shape and size or any one of your body is called as a deforming force. So elasticity means a body which regain its original shape and size after the removal of the deforming force. So initially a force is applied to any body, the body changes its shape from original shape and size to a new one. So what is elasticity means? If that applied force, that force is called as a deforming force. The deforming force is removed means if the same material regain its original shape and size is called as a elasticity. So elasticity is of your body is defined as a body regain its original shape and size after the removal of a deforming force. So what will happen when the force is applied on your body? So that is a force we give, but we in solids we will denote the term is called as a stress. So stress is equal to force applied by area. So force applied per unit area. So how much force is applied on the given area is a stress. So force by area is a stress. Stress is a similar dimension to the pressure. So in air or the in gas medium we can represent this force by area as a pressure. In solid medium we can represent as a stress. So stress is equal to applied force by area, that is F by A. What is the SI unit of force? Newton, and the area is meter square. So Newton per meter square is the SI unit of stress. Then by applying whenever the external force is applied on any body, its the body's shape size will be changes. That means its dimension changes. Dimension means either the lengthwise or breadthwise or thickness wise. Only the lengthwise may be the changes take place, or length and breadth means the surface changes may occur, or total volume of the body may be changes. So the change in dimension, how much the changes occurs, either the increase in length or decrease in length. So how much it will be increases or how much it will be decreases divided by the original dimension. So the effect, so due to the stress, what is the changes in the body is described by strain. So strain is equal to change in dimension by original dimension. Both are in the same thing. So change in length by original length, change in surface area by original surface area, change in volume by original volume. So everything in the same units. So there is a no unit for strain. So stress means applied force by area, strain means change in dimension by original dimension. Hooke's law. So Hooke's law states that within the elastic limit, so when a body within that elastic limit, the applied stress is directly proportional to strain. So stress is directly proportional to strain. So in order to remove the proportionality constant, we have to substitute some value, constant number. So the stress is equal to constant into strain. If the strain come to the denominator, stress by strain is equal to constant. So this constant is called as modulus of elasticity. Modulus of elasticity. So this modulus of elasticity is depends on nature of the material. Nature of the material. Again I will say that. So Hooke's law means within the elastic limit, stress is directly proportional to strain. So the stress by strain is equal to constant. So we give the name constant is called as modulus of elasticity. The modulus of elasticity of the any body is depends upon nature of the material and what will be the manner the deformed force is applied on the body. So this is very important law in elastic nature of the studying the elastic nature of the material. The SI unit of modulus of elasticity, we can give the notation E as a modulus of elasticity. E is equal to stress by strain. Already we know that stress, what is the SI unit of stress? Stress SI unit is Newton per meter, because stress is equal to force by area. So Newton per meter squared is a SI unit of stress. For strain there is a no unit. Hence we come to the conclusion the SI unit of the modulus of elasticity is Newton per meter squared, which is similar to the stress SI unit. So the stress is equal to strain, that is the stress is directly proportional to strain within the elastic limit, is called Hooke's law.